Welcome to Products Review, your trusted source for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Today we are going to talk about the product Anker 7, Port USB 3.0 data hub with 36U power adapter and BC 1.2 charging port for iPhone 7 6 Plus, iPad Air 2, Galaxy S Series, Note Series, NEC, PC, USB, flash drives, and more. Anker 7 Port USB 3.0 Data Hub is a great device for expanding and accelerating your data transfer and charging. The small, lightweight design makes it highly portable and conserves space when connecting multiple devices. The upward-facing ports make it easier to plug in devices with just one hand. It can instantly add 7 USB 3.0 super speed ports to your CA with data transfer rates of up to 5 DPS. The dual functionality of the 7th port enables both data transfer and a full 1.5A charging speed. This product is compatible with macOS X 10.2 and above, but OS X Lion 10.74 users should upgrade to Mountain Lion 10.82 or later to avoid unstable connection. Some USB 3.0 devices require direct connection to host ports, while 2.4G's wireless devices, keyboards, mice, etc., may not work around USB 3.0 ports. The non-charging ports are intended for data transfer only, so they provide insufficient power output for charging. But overall, this product is a great choice for transferring data and charging multiple devices. The Anker USB 3.07 Port Hub is the perfect solution for expanding your computer's use ports. With its compact palm-size grip, 4.3 x 1.7 x 0.19, and lightweight design, 2.9 O's, you can enjoy data transfer rates of up to 5 beeps with its 7 USB 3.0 super speed ports and is backward compatible with EC 2.0 E 1.1. The 7th data port also delivers BC 1.2 charging speeds of up to 2.1 amps, while the other 6 ports charge at speeds of up to 0.5 each, with 5.1 amps overall among 7 ports. The high-grade chipset and 36-watt adapter guarantees steady operation and supports plug and play and hot swapping with no installation of drivers required for Windows XP Vista, X 10.2 and above. The package contents includes the Anker USB 3.07, Port Hub 12E3A power adapter, 2.6, foot USB 3.0 cable, welcome guide, and 18-month hassle. Free warranty. Did you like the product? The purchase link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.